Y'all, look what it says up above. They're lying to you. If that ain't a sign, and you're watching this video and you need a sign, I needed that sign. Ooh! Hello guys, it is Sunday, May 25th. We came here with Shakey's, with the family. Here's Anastasia. You wanna say something? What you eating?
Pizza.
Wow. There's Prissy in the back. And then Bunch.
Oh, hey.
Everyone's back there. They're looking at me like kind of scared.
In about 1 mile, turn right onto West Torrance Boulevard.
My creams in the bag. Hi guys, we made it to Redondo Beach. There's Anastasia. Look at guys the beach. Anastasia, do you like it?
Yeah.
It looks so pretty, huh?
Like a fly.
Me too. Dad, you want to say something?
Buenas tardes, mi gente. Aquí andamos en la playa de Redondo Beach,
Yes.
paseándonos un rato, esperando el clásico América Toluca.
Wow. And then right here con mi mom. Di algo, mom.
Pues que andamos acá paseándonos toda la familia. Está muy bonito para que vénganse a ver acá a Redondo Beach. ¿ok?
Y saludos a
Y
quien.
saludos a todos los de Zacatecas, los de La Puri.
Hey, hey. There's Punch and Anastasia and Lupe and Vero. Chase.
Hello.
¿Qué dices, prima?
We're at the beach. The Summers
Is here. Ah, you know, ¿sabes qué se me antojó? Yes, that's what I was saying in el camino that there's Dippin' Dots here.
Oh, really? Where?
I don't know. We'll find out. Está como que medio llenito aquí, muchachos. Ay, no, perdón. We got closer to the beach. It looks so cool, huh? There's a lot of people fishing. A lot of people fishing. So we're gonna go like kind of to the edge where there's like nobody fishing because in every corner we see a fisherman. It's really nice. Oh. Yeah.
Like in other beaches, it's not this bad.
It smells
Fish.
hell.
It's $20 for a rod.
Yeah, oh no. Vale más un buen amor. Look at her. She's in her moment. You know, Jones? Es que como somos Pisces, nos llama el agua. Like Ponch. How Poncho, we feel our home right here with the water.
Very.
Guys, the view is so cute. It's so nice. You see like the ahí está la arena. Está Brian. There's Poncho. Anastasia. And in the back we have the rest of the crew. And I can't really. Ahí están. Oh, wait, they have Dippin' Dots here, y'all. I think I'm gonna get some. How's your ice cream, Anastasia?
Good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
100.
100! How's the Dippin' Dots?
Dude, so good.
I give it a good 8 out of 10.
I like mine. Can never go wrong with
It's
cookies and
high,
cream.
way too high. I like Japanese.
Really? What'd you think of the beach?
I love it and it's very beautiful.
Yeah. Y'all, look what it says up above. They're lying to you. If that ain't a sign, and you're watching this video and you need a sign, I needed that sign. Oh! Who's lying to us? Oh! And then we have a promotion for Ultra. No, pues no. Guys, we made it to the sand. There's a... Ooh! She ate. Ah, chinga. Carritos chocones. Dun, 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 dun. Look at it.
Zoomers
Is here, bruh. The Zoomers is here and here to stay. Mira, hasta el sol salió when I said that. I don't really like the beach though, y'all, to be for real. But it looks nice. So we're going on the sand. Oh my god. Headless sand on my shoes. Watch. We got the Sambas. Miren. Oh, I can't really show y'all, but Lupe. Ay, ay, ay. No te vas a caer. Por... Ay, no. Hell no. Ay, ya en la casa la pisa. Whoa, look at this. No, literally. Prince. Look, Lupe disfrutando la arena. Hey guys, I'm here with my hermana.
Se nos ocurre hacer esto when it's this fucking
Dude, today it is, I think the highest is like 82, 87. Algo así. We just left Brian off to school y nos dio ganas de ir a la playa. So we're gonna go walk at Marina to, you know, get the day started. Maybe get like a treat after, maybe do shopping. ¿Quién sabe? The day is, what is it? Or that's literally what I was gonna say. I'm like, is oyster the right word? Our days, the days are oyster. Let's get it. Guys, we arrived to Marina. It smells like ¿Qué te diré? It smells like fish. Well, what do I expect? We in the ocean?
Pues nada, ahorita I'm trying to like see if I should put my phone inside or not.
Oh. It's like windy, so it's like the sun's out, pero está bien el clima, you know? The vibes. Pero sí, ay, qué cute. Se siente el calor, ¿eh? Sí se siente. I don't want the sand to go in. Let me give you all the view. Look at this. Look at this, como dice Johnny.
Mira, it's low tide because there's
Oh, a ver.
sand.
Okay. Oh, damn, that's hella low.
Damn, Kendra wanted me to talk to you guys.
Oh, what the hell?
It's nice not to. A lo mejor al rato se pone más feo.
Oh, definitely. I think right
Pero
now
ahorita
it's
muy.
like calmado vibes.
I'm still like getting the hang of walking with a stick, but
Not walking with a stick.
people are like, what is it?
I know they're like, eh?
¿Y qué vas a querer comer después de eso?
I
Ni ya
don't
pensando
know.
en la comida.
I mean,
Whoops.
I don't know. What y'all want?
We are 0.36 miles in,
I'm
almost
tired.
reaching the
Ya
end
me
of the
cansé.
line.
Pero aquí se ve la gente chilling in the beach.
Pero me gusta porque casi no hay gente.
I know, mira. That's me with my sombrilla. Mira. Oh, she's on a business phone call. But yeah, we're closer to the olas. But yeah, I feel like coming closer like this way huele más a pez. Like, ugh.
Está con su olor a pez.
Dude, I can't do smells, y'all. I'm so sensitive. It makes me. But also, like, it's bearable. But girl, put me in a carnicería. Girl. Miren. Little pájaros. Look at that one. So cute.
Si ven a mi mano derecha, podemos ver una especie,
Sí,
una
eh?
especie de pájaros
Okay.
que no sé. They look like seagulls.
Girl, that is not a seagull.
Like the beak.
Oh.
En la familia de seagulls.
Ah.
Quote me on that shit. I know. Ya llegamos
Ya
al
llegamos
final.
al final. 2 miles. Look. Oh. Ah, miren. Un yacht. When am I gonna be in that? We're manifesting it, yo. Yes, yeah. I wanted to leave. But Esme was like, no, we're walking this way. So we came like to the corner. I don't know how to explain it, but we're the side where the houses are. So we're walking here.
Ya venirse
Aquí
a
está
dar
más,
otra vuelta.
aquí está más bien porque está bien fresco. Like there, oh, right when I
Pero
say the
ahorita
big ass, oh, I thought that was the shit.
No cantes, Victor.
Wait, can we go back?
Already?
Yes.
Kendra.
What's the point of that?
Can you stop being dumb?
Ay, aquí me gustó. Okay, now we can go back. Hey guys, so we just got back in the car. Es hella
It
aire.
is crazy.
Hella sudor. We did like the little meter thing for an hour, but we only did 30 minutes because that's too much. Ya el sol se siente, even though it's like really like cloud. I was about to say smoky. Pues también, everybody's smoking, but it's hella cloudy. Y like you wouldn't think it's like that hot, girl. It's hot. Yeah, we're gonna see where we go right now, and then we'll take you guys over there. Say bye.
Everything she said.
Decided since there was El Torito near here, we came to one. It's like near the beach, literally by the botes. It was like a 5-minute drive. But right now we're just paying for parking. Pero ahorita vamos a entrar y a comer. Okay, country. But it took a while to figure out the fucking parking. The 2 freaking parking stations that we went to, they were both out of service. The other one we went, like the third one we went to, it did work, but it was all the way on the other side. So hasta más estamos sudando.
Ayer ganaron muy apenas.
¿Y sí?
¿Verdad?
Aún.
Mejor hubieran ganado el domingo así.
Ah, sí.
Bienvenidas. Ahorita
Gracias.
viene su mesera a atender.
Gracias.
¿Ok?
We just got here, y'all. We got some little chips. And look at the views. I'm gonna get some enchiladas, y'all. I think that's what we're doing. These always remind me of my abuelita. It's like shrimp, the bacon shrimp. So, what are you gonna get us? The tostada? Como si estuvieras hecho justo mi medida. The Julian always coming up. My green enchiladas. It's because I was asking if they had like the spinach ones, porque no los vi en the menu. But it turns out they could make it for me. Las tostadas.
Se lo pueden hacer a la chiquiada. Cómete algo.
Let me flip it. Miren, guys. Damn, got a good bite. Ay, qué cute, mi hermana. Mira, mira. See, guys. Oh, hell.
a lot. I feel like an albóndiga.
We got our little to-go bag. Oh, me, the driver. We just came out. It was really good. We are stuffed though. Now we're gonna go back to the casita. Or maybe get a sweet treat. Let me tell you. You want a sweet treat?
A sweet treat. Not really.
All right, let's go home, guys. We came to who's fighting? We came to McDonald's porque para el hermano ahí se me antojó algo. Hopefully they have the frap. Can I do a 10-piece chicken nugget meal?
Medium or large?
Medium with a Sprite, please.
Alright, for the sauce?
Barbecue.
Okay, anything else?
And then can I do a small Hershey frap?
Okay.
And that's all.
Alright, next one up for you.
Thank you. And hopefully that shit's good. You gonna
Not
try
a
this?
Hershey
I
frap.
know, es que viene con like the chocolate chips on top. A little icebreaker. You're gonna have to answer a question. Oh, I was gonna ask that. Oh, you already know what was coming.
Se te borró la sonrisa. We're obnoxious.
Mira, le agarré esto and she never put it. Look, you put on your Lulu.
I do
Big
like
ass
it.
Oh,
Pero
no.
cuando voy al gimnasio y les doy mis llaves because it's
Oh,
ballet
hell no.
container thing. No, pues la chingadera no cabe.
Oh, porque lo cierran, ¿no?
Pues obvio, ni más que las llaves ahí nomás estén on display.
Oh.
But yeah, imagine I pull up with this big ass thing. They're gonna be like, no chingue.
Esme already spit out the gum. Like, we haven't even gotten our food yet.
It's probably been like 45 seconds.
Like, I literally stopped it and she went like,
And for the small fry, you just go on the second one.
thank you. Ooh, the fries look hella good. Dude, Brian, what he does when we come here and we like order like fries for him, the fries llegan half eaten and he says that's how he got it. Dude, right when I stopped recording they gave me my fry, but look how good it looks. It has the little chocolate chips. Okay, so now let's go home. Or should I try it? A ver.
We'll try it.
Oh, it's on my thigh and it's hella cold.
No más que antes que dé la vuelta, si no vas a salir volando.
Ay, chingao.
Soy de Chihuahua.
Chihuahuas. Let's see.
Es que me recuerdo.
Ooh.
Girl.
Oh, dude, they put Hershey chips on the bottom too. Oh. It's good though, but I prefer the mocha.
Roller coaster.